How to enable ChatGPT Dark Mode on Android. This tutorial shows you how to switch the app's appearance to a darker theme. First, open the ChatGPT app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile icon at the top left. After that, tap Settings. At this point, tap App Icon and Appearance, or Appearance depending on your version of the app. Following this, you'll see options like Light, Dark, or System. From here, tap Dark to switch the app fully to dark mode. If you'd rather have it automatically match your phone's overall theme instead of manually switching it, there's an easier option too. At this stage, tap System instead. Following this makes ChatGPT automatically switch between light and dark based on your device's own display settings. Once selected, the app updates immediately, without needing to restart or reopen it. That's how you enable ChatGPT Dark Mode on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.